2014 Volkswagen Up, and this is the high up, which is one of the better models. So it's got alloy wheels and a few extras. This one is a category N from the insurance company, which is non-structural. It's got 61,000 miles. It's got about 5 Volkswagen stamps, and we've just serviced it too as well. Now, it's had a bump around that side, but I'll come to that later. So, decently cleaned down that side, no damage. It's a 5-door, which is great. Alloys are the upgraded ones as well, a few marks on them, but Continental tyres all the way around. And it's got something that not many have. It's got a full panoramic sunroof, electric, which is slide and tilt. That is great on that car. No damage around the side. And around the back's good. You don't get any dents on the tailgate because it's made of glass. There's a few little chips on this. Down there, we'll touch them in. Might want to paint the whole bumper for a few chips like that. You can see them there, boop, boop, boop. And down this side is tidy and straight. Well, we had a bump on this side, so it's gnarled that wing. This actual wing was actually pushed back a bit, but I pulled it out there just so it doesn't catch the wheel at all. And it's broken the plastic splash guard underneath, and this wheel's got a few marks on it as well, but nothing dreadful. And around the front, open the bonnet, there's nothing damaged under here at all. In fact, this, we'll do it with my knee, this front panel here is solid, it's not moved. The wash bottle's got all its fluids. But what was actually cracked and damaged was this headlight, so I popped one in just so I can drive around to a garage and get it serviced and MOT'd and stuff like that. Drop that down, and it's dented that, which is really annoying because that needs to be painted now. And it's missing its fog, so someone's taken it off. So this has been off before, this bumper here. So we bought the parts for this. That bumper is good enough. Might need painting. Certainly this centre section will. These actually unclip these things here. So you've got an outer bumper, a grille, and then a centre section. And it's lost its tow-eye cap, which we'll have to get as well. And what they always bend as well is this bracket here. It looks fine, but it will always be bent ½ an inch. So we've bought all the parts. We've rounded the boots. So we've got a new wing. It's a pattern one, but it'll be fine. We've got a genuine splash guard because the other ones never fit, and a genuine bracket as well. So just to make sure. So this will be done. It'll be painted. This wing, the splash guard will go underneath it. And this will be tidied, and what I'll probably do is just to make sure everything's fine, and so you can see it, I will take this bumper off and try and add some photos to it to the video, hopefully, so you can see it wasn't damaged behind it. Right, this, in fact, let's go to the inside as well, because it's got quite a lot of extras on this. It's got the upgraded seats. It needs a good old clean inside and a valet. It's got the kind of the plastic leatherette seats, which are really nice. It's got heated seats as well. It's got the sat nav inside, which will be bolted with it, which has got a hands-free kit, and it's also got a DAB digital radio as well. So a really good spec car, and rear privacy glass as well, which is always nice. Right, these have to retail with all these extras over £6. I'm guessing this will be around the £4,500 mark, and it should be a very decent car for someone.